these are 5 things to note before you purchase any skincare product. Before even going into skincare, you need to know this, okay? Don't just go around buying products, buy this. No, you should know all these things so that nobody will rip you, so that you will not waste your money, so that you will not destroy your skin or damage your skin. Before even purchasing or wasting your money buying any skincare product, these are things that you should know. Okay, so hi guys, what's up, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Cherish, and I post everything dark skin related, beauty vlogs, lifestyle, everything skincare that concerns dark skin. Anything that concerns your dark skin, ask me. If you want a video from me, ask me. If you want to book a one-on-one consultation session with me, you can book a consultation session with me, okay? I'll put the link in the description, but if I forget, make sure you remind me that. Cherish, where's the link? Okay, so hi guys, what's up, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be telling you 5 things to note, 5 things to bear in mind before even purchasing any skincare product, before even wasting your money. The first thing is that you should know your skin type. Know your skin type. It is very, very important. Know your skin type will help you to purchase the right skincare product. Know your skin type will help you know what products work for you. Knowing your skin type will help you know, okay, who to follow. Okay, this person has a dry skin like me, what's she using? But that's not a criteria for you to pick a skincare product because somebody else has. But definitely know your skin type. A product that will work for someone who has an oily skin might not work for you. Okay, now look at these 2 products. They are both serums. This one is very, very hydrating. This one is hydrating and also very, very moisturizing. Someone who has a very oily skin can use this and everything will be perfect, okay? But if you have a dry skin and you use this, it just feel like you just put only water on your face and it will be dry again. But if you have an oily skin and you use this one, you're putting more oil on your skin. Can you see the difference between this? But they are both serums and they do different things, but they have different ingredients in them. Do you understand that? This is very hydrating. This is hydrating and also moisturizing. Okay, so you should know your skin type before even purchasing any skincare product. Now, how do you know your skin type? The way your face is now, going to get your, what's it called? Get your face wash, okay? Get your face wash, a mild hydrating. There are different face washes that you can get. Even if you are buying anything first, you can first buy face wash, okay? Get a face wash. And if you want to know what kind of face wash you can get, let me know. Maybe I should make a different video on that. I didn't consider that before making, but just get a very simple face wash your face, okay, and let it dry it for about just 30 minutes, okay? Don't use anything to clean your face. So wash your face like that, let it dry, okay? Let it dry naturally for about 30 minutes. Now, after drying your face, if you feel that your face is tight or tacky, very, very dry. Personally, I have a very, very dry skin, and if I don't, like, my face will be very, very dry, whitish and everything if I don't apply any moisturizer or anything on it. Your face is usually very tight, okay, and a bit itchy if you have a dry, very, very dry skin, okay? But if you have an oily skin, after washing your face and waiting for about 30 minutes, you can use a paper towel, like tissue paper, and check your skin. If you notice any oil on the paper, okay, if you notice that why is there a lot of oil on my face, then you have an oily skin. If you have a combination skin, your T-zone area, this place like this, it will be oily and the rest part of your face will be dry. That's how you know that, okay, I have a combination skin, okay? Now, the skin on your face may be different from the skin on your body, okay? I also have a very, excessively dry skin on my body. Like, during Harmattan, my skin, it feels like scales fall off my leg. That's how dry my skin is. But some people, they have normal skin type, like their body type, they're fine without applying any moisturizer on their body or anything. So you already know that I have a dry skin already on your body. That's easier than your face, okay? So know your skin type before purchasing any skincare product, okay? Number 2 on my list is before purchasing any skincare product, because this person said because Cherry said buy this, you go and buy. Before I said, well, no, if you are just starting skincare, start with very easy, very, very simple product. You don't need to buy everything, okay? You don't need to buy everything. Start with things as easy as this, okay? Get your maybe face wash, get serum, get your face wash. The key things is wash your face, apply moisturizer, and apply sunscreen. These are the three key things. First, this when you are starting skincare, start with the basic simple things. Wash your face in the morning, apply moisturizer, and secure it with skincare. Okay, now as time go on, okay, then you can now say, okay, I want to add a toner. Okay, after washing my face, I want to use you basically do your research on them, okay, or talk to somebody. Okay, you can always come and talk to me. Okay, you pay for a consultation session with me actually. Okay, so you say, okay, this is it. Oh, okay, now I want to introduce this into my skincare routine. I want to introduce, oh no, there's something wrong with this place. Oh, I have a lot of acne. What should I use? What can I use on my skin? That's when you start introducing them one after the other. You don't just start with everything. You don't need to buy everything. You don't need to buy 7 steps skincare, 7 steps, 6 step, 8 step skincare products. No, start with 3 and be very consistent. Consistency actually changes your skin in much more ways that you can never imagine. Okay, be very, very simple with your skincare. Then you can decide to buy other active. You can say, okay, oh my, this one is happening to me here. Okay, I need niacinamide. I need to buy this. This is not that you're using everything all at once. No. Okay, the next thing you should know about skincare before buying any skincare products is your skin barrier is everything. Once you damage your skin barrier, the product you are buying will be causing more harm to your skin. Everything that is even working, that has been working for your skin, will now be doing the opposite of what it was. Your skin barrier is very, very important to you. Whatever product you are putting on your skin barrier should be repairing it, not damaging it. Once you start using products that will lighten your skin, or too many actives, oh, this one is niacinamide, this one is this one will exfoliate, this one will do this, everything on your skin barrier will be damaged. Your skin barrier is like a cloth that protects your skin. Okay, it's the outer layer of your skin. Basically, I don't know how to break it down to you guys, but basically your skin barrier should be protected. Don't use any product that you don't know what was inside the product. Before even testing out any skincare product, make sure you patch test. You can patch test behind your ear, patch test inside your elbow. Okay, there was a product I wanted to use on my stretch mark. That day I just tried it like a little bit. The next morning when I woke up, I saw like a bit of bumps rash. I was like, oh, thank God I didn't use this in on my whole body. If not, I'll be dealing with a lot of rashes. Now imagine me coming to you guys and I have a lot of rashes, telling you guys, oh, do this. You won't listen to me. So avoid harsh scrubs, over exfoliation, avoid things that you know that will destroy your skin. Basically, if you start feeling tightness or burning sensation, or unnecessarily itching around, stinging or anything around your face after applying a product or anything, just know that your skin barrier is crying for help. Okay, the next thing you need to know is sunscreen is not negotiable. No, don't listen to anyone that says, oh, dark skin girls, you don't need sunscreen. You need sunscreen. You need sunscreen to protect your skin from UV rays and everything. It is not negotiable. Buy sunscreen. This is one sunscreen. If you don't like to pour things, look at this one. Okay, this is a sunscreen. This is a stick sunscreen. We have different types of sunscreen. We have affordable sunscreen. Like, you don't need to buy the most expensive sunscreen. Make sure you're using something daily to to protect your skin. It is not negotiable. Okay, don't go and buy serum, buy this, buy that. Buy sunscreen first. Sunscreen helps you so much, like you may not even know. Your part of your skin, like let's say sunscreen helps like 80 to 90% of your skincare problems. Sunscreen will help you. Okay, buy sunscreen. Now, and lastly, marketing is not medicine. Oh, I use this Vaseline, the Vaseline changed my life, it helped. No, because it worked for one person may not really necessarily work for you. Some people might market a product so good, so well, it may not be the solution to your problem. Do your research, ask questions. I offer consultation sessions. I told you already. Click on the link below, and if I did not remember to put the link, ask me in the comment section. Cherish, what is the link you said you wanted to add here? Okay, talk to me one-on-one. Talk to me about your skin before you proceed to purchasing any skincare product. Okay, marketing is not medicine. Know what you are buying first, and also buy original product. I don't even know how to figure out original products. Some people ask me, I don't know honestly, because original and the normal product, they look so much alike, so I really do not know most of the time. Okay, just know that, just make sure you are buying from great vendors. Okay, I've done a video on vendors that I think you should buy from. You can go to my channel and look through that. Okay, so that's that for this video. I really hope you guys liked the video. I hope you were able to gain a thing or two from this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.